In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off tool videos in Photoshop. If you've been using Photoshop for a while, you may have noticed that when you hover your mouse over different tools in the toolbar, a small animated preview appears after a short delay. These are called rich tooltips. They're designed to help beginners understand what each tool does by showing a quick visual demonstration. That can be useful when you're learning the program, but once you're more comfortable in Photoshop, these pop-up videos can start to feel distracting and unnecessary. The good news is that turning them off is very easy, and it only takes a few seconds. Start by going to the Edit menu at the top of Photoshop. From there, choose Preferences, and then click Notifications. This will open the Preferences window, where Photoshop keeps a variety of interface and alert settings that you can customize to fit the way you like to work. Once you're inside the Preferences window, look for the option labeled Rich Tooltips. This is the setting that controls those animated preview videos that appear when you hover over tools. To disable them, simply uncheck that option or switch it off, depending on how it appears in your version of Photoshop. After that, click OK to save your changes. That's all you need to do. Now, when you move your cursor over the tools in the toolbar, those animated videos will no longer pop up. You'll still see the regular tool names and basic information, but without the extra motion on screen. This gives you a cleaner workspace and can help you stay focused, especially if you prefer a less cluttered editing environment. One nice thing about this setting is that it's not permanent. If you ever decide you want those visual tutorials back, maybe for learning a tool you haven't used before, you can go right back to the same menu, open Preferences, head to Notifications, and enable Rich Tooltips again at any time. Even though this is a small adjustment, it can make Photoshop feel smoother and more efficient, especially if you spend a lot of time working in the toolbar. Little interface changes like this can really improve your overall editing experience. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring Photoshop settings so you can customize your workspace in a way that helps you work faster, cleaner, and with fewer distractions.